Hi guys, this is Manoj. Yeah, I'm back. I'm going to unbox the temper glass for my Redmi Note 5 Pro. Yeah, I had ordered the temper glass through Paytm mall. Yeah, then here guys, let me open up this package and see how it's a temper glass. We open up this one. It has so many things to cover it. The temper glass. I think it is not a good way to cover. See, what's the thing with this? Let me remove this out. Yeah, and inside we have the temper glass. I didn't like this package. They are all the stuffs with me. Let me throw this out. Okay guys, we are moving to the temper glass, and this is the temper glass. Let me check. It is good. Okay guys, the temper glass is good. See, the temper glass is good. Yeah. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Give thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.